Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair. Guys, super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses, relays for the radio navigation screen is located on Mercedes C-Class. Guys, we're talking about the screen right here. You may have the smaller or bigger screen like this one. We'll demonstrate on that Mercedes generation W205. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The radio, also known as navigation screen, fuses, relays. Radio navigation screen, fuses, relays. Come guys to show you where you can find them. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know you have up to 6-7 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do now, first we need to open the passenger door. When you do that, in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the right side of the AP, or let me open a different angle so you can see in a great detail. Okay, we're talking about right here guys. You're going to have one cover that you need to open, and underneath you're going to have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And specifically here guys, what we will need to check now. Okay, let's talk about that now. We need to check multiple fuses, and starting here we need to first check fuse 322 guys. And you wonder where that fuse is located. Well, that one right here is one of them. Check that one. Sometimes you may need to pull the fuse to reset the system, and that may fix it guys as well. We had that problem before. If the screen does not work. Next, you have 2 more fuses that you need to check that they have multiple fuses built in them. Each one of those has 6 fuses in them. One of them will be responsible for some of the functions for the radio navigation screen as well. So check fuse MF1 and MF2 as well. After that guys, what we'll need to check, we need to come to the trunk. You need to open the trunk and lift the carpet liner up. Underneath on the right side you have one fabric flap that you need to lift up, and once you do that you will get to the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here guys. Specifically here, okay, you may need to check up to 2 more fuses. You may or may not have this one depending on the configuration in here as well, but one of them is fuse 423 right here, and the other one is 462. You may have one fuse right here as well. Now those are the main fuses, relays that we usually guys check for the radio navigation screen on Mercedes W205. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.